All right, so now this is another really awesome page. This was just recently pushed out into the wild, actually. Um, this is the market dashboard, and very soon you'll be able to just type in a ticker along the top, and then this will all adapt to whatever it is that you search for. But right now, this is just market-wide information. So, the highest dark pool activity out of everything, we're storing hundreds, if not thousands, of trades a second. The one that has the highest dark pool activity as far as volume goes is RIGL. The biggest flow, so basically the contract with the most premium being put into it, is Bank of America puts, $15 strike for a June 21st expiration of next year. And then, would you look at that, highest daily volume contract, same thing. And then the biggest opening position, which is something that, as far as I can tell, no one else is really paying attention to. So this is a really awesome, one-of-a-kind feature. Once again, our biggest opening position from today is the TLT $85 call strike for the, November 17th expiration of this year. So that's very interesting. Originally had zero open interest and saw over 13,000 contracts exchange hands today in daily volume. This over here is the inflows and outflows. This is just a wicked awesome feature. So from top to bottom, this is going from today to about 7 days ago, or 10 days ago. Not sure why this date format is being weird, but so for today, August 23rd, or October 23rd, we saw a bunch of calls hitting the tape, and a lot of puts being sold, which, if you're not familiar with options, might kind of sound like gibberish, jarbish, whatever. But put simply, full pun intended, we saw a lot of calls being bought and a lot of puts being sold, which means that typically you'll see some market relief or even a rally follow that. It's so simple but so powerful. And the day before that, we saw the same thing last Friday, and then today, Monday, we saw a lot of rallies taking place outside of the major indices. And you can even look, from last week during the little dump that we saw, right before things started to decline. You can see that for those dates going into it, that we saw a lot of calls being sold. Right, so on the 17th, for example, a lot of calls being sold and a lot of puts being purchased. Same thing with the day before that. It's such a simple but unique feature that really gives you the information you need, information that you can act upon. And then this is options activity market wide, and this just shows the SPY as your benchmark. And along the top, you have a bunch of different options that you can toggle. So, for example, we have call premium, put premium, percent call opening, percent put opening, purchased call sweep premium, and purchased put sweep premium. Maybe I just want to see the sweep premium that took place. And you can see that today we saw a huge influx in terms of calls being purchased from sweep orders, just huge amounts. So that tells you a lot already. I can toggle those off, and then I can see, okay, what about the percent of calls being opened versus puts being opened? And again, we see calls being opened like mad over the last 3 days or so. So simple, but so powerful, and that's the stuff that you need. That's the stuff that really helps you become a better observer of the market and ultimately a better participant in the markets. And then historically, you can see back here, before the rally from 420 up to 440, we saw sustained buying where your calls being opened were significantly higher than puts being opened, all throughout this stretch from about September 26th through October 8th. And then you saw that market rally from 420 to 440. And along the top, right, where we were just kind of hanging there, it looked very distributive. You can see that puts were being opened a lot more than calls. Over here, this is also one of my favorites. We have the bullish versus bearish position openings as far as percentages go. So over the past couple of days, we've been seeing a lot of bullish positions being opened. Super simple, but super powerful. There's no jumping through hoops. There's no, configuring just the right filters. No, none of that. Just plain and simple. This is what you need. And below that, we have the bullish versus bearish sweeps in premium. And again, you can see that today we saw a huge amount of bullish premiums being flowed into sweep orders. Scrolling down a little bit further, we have the historical dark pool activity. Dark pools are obviously, you know, a whole video series of their own, but put simply, this is showing you total dark pool activity across the markets. Towards the top right here, on October 13th, this is the 12th, but it's really the 13th, we saw a pretty, very much an outlier candle being printed on the purple here. And that was institutions, offloading. And then today, we see a candle of similar outlierness, if that's a word, for the lows, which can imply some buying. You have to do a little bit more inspection of your own, but this could definitely, be institutional buying while markets are frantic and worried about, Black Monday that everybody was tweeting about over the weekend. Scrolling a little bit further down, we have this is just showing the most bullish tickers. I'm still adding to this, so the data is valid, but obviously there's not too much to look at right now. Our top sweep orders, this is market wide. So we see NVIDIA 380 calls, which are deep in the money, 10,000 contracts at $61.45 a pop. That's a $61 million order that just took place today. And then some Microsoft calls down here, QQQ calls, or puts, excuse me. And then we have our top block orders. So this is from dark pools over here. Highest one to date is Airbnb. We have 6 million shares at a 142.75 spot price, almost $1 billion in premium. Simple stuff, but very powerful. And then scrolling down a little bit more, unusual bullish flow, unusual bearish flow, liquidity anomalies. We'll get into this in a separate video. And then finally, the highest lit exchange activity. Again, this will be another video of its own.